plates or not. Remember, he's driving a blue Honda, but he had a permit for a Chev, okay? That one. Question 4. Can you lay a charge if you stopped the vehicle and found that the owner has painted over an expired valve tag with nail polish so it appears to be valid? True or false?
True.
Okay. I'm not answering the questions. I'm just reading the questions. You're not going to even give me the friggin' exam. Because I'm worried about you guys. Question 5. A highway is defined in the Highway Traffic Act as only a 400 series highway.
False.
False.
A motor vehicle, I'm pretty sure you guys know the answers, but it's going to be different when you give me the section. It's finding the section that's going to be interesting. A motor vehicle is always considered a vehicle as per the definition is in the Highway Traffic Act.
What was that?
Everyone is permitted to drive a motor vehicle on a highway.
False.
False.
A driver's license issued by the ministry allows anyone to drive any type of vehicle.
False.
False.
Those who have demonstrated safety, gained experience, and developed skills can be granted a driver's license. Where do we find the section for driver's licenses? Is it the Highway Traffic Act or is it the Ontario regs? The regs. Okay? You guys have your phones on? Are you recording me? Because that would probably be the best thing to do.
That's what I'm doing.
How long have you guys been in school? Because if the teacher was giving me questions on the exam, I'd be having my cell phone recording the whole thing. Yeah!
Andrew's
Losers.
Faggot.
Question 11. There are over 18 classes of driver's license in the province of Ontario. Okay? Part 2, multiple choice. Actually, I'm going to tell you, the multiple choice, I would say 80% of them are on driver's licenses. Okay? So know your driver's licenses. New residents of the province of Ontario who hold a valid license from another jurisdiction have how many days to obtain an Ontario driver's license? I drilled this in your head. There's six days to change? No. Out of province, 60, 6, and 14. Remember, 14 costs a driver's license, 60 days to change your driver's license from another province, 6 days. It wasn't as many. Okay. Make sure you know section 33, 34, and 35. Make sure you know the section for driver's license suspension. Okay, make sure you also know the graduated driver's licensing thing. So, for example, what G1 is allowed to have, G2 is allowed to do, okay, that's a fill in the blank question. We did this last week. What other than police are exempt from speed limits? Who other than the police are exempt from speed limits? I'm sorry, bad English. What are the conditions for their exemption? Talked about that last week, remember? So who's exempt from besides the police from exceeding the speed limit? Ambulance and fire, going 2A or responding 2A. Oh my gosh, in 4 years I've done this course. remember the very first day that I was here, the very first slide, I said, wow, this actually is on the exam? The very first thing I put on the board. What is it? Very good. 3 E's. What are they? Right, 3 marks. Guess what the 12-mark question is? Give 2 examples of each of the 3 E's. 12 marks. Oh my gosh. That's the easiest 12 marks you can get. Yes?
No, that's what I was gonna ask, like, do we have to mark everything under each category?
It will be provided for you. 12 marks, buddy. That's the easiest 12 marks.
Education, engineering, and
I cannot
enforcement.
believe in past years people actually skipped that question and lost 12 marks.
Education, engineering, enforcement.
The first slide.
This pisses me off. I gotta fucking print off a new
Okay.
page because I put this.
Now, I'm going to explain this before the exam, but I will explain it right now. The last question is worth 9 marks, okay? It is a picture of an intersection that I took in New York City. You have to, for 3 marks each, identify a highway on the map, on the picture, identify a roadway, and identify the crosswalk, and tell me what type of crosswalk it is. Okay? Now, when you're doing it, remember, when I mark it, I need to be able to read it. Like, if you're gonna do a legend, you know, like on a map, you have those legends, squiggly line means roadway, you know, straight line means highway. And you're gonna
Line
map
like
it
this,
out on my
line
little
like
thing
this,
here. Please make sure I can read it.